Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Smith and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. I'm so happy you found me. In today's video, I'm going to show you the care and propagation of this very popular houseplant, a Golden Pothos. Now I have had this plant for probably 20 years and it has produced for me probably 25 or 30 additional plants, and it could have produced a whole heck of a lot more had I kept all my clippings. So I wanted to share with you the general care and how to propagate this beautiful plant. This plant is also known as the devil's ivy. And once you have one and it's happy and healthy and you see how fast it grows, you'll understand why. So here is my main plant that I've had for a very long time. As you can see, it's very overgrown and needs to be cut back. I've been waiting for the right time to cut it back so that I could show you the proper way and how to propagate this beautiful houseplant. Now when cutting your plant, you can cut it at any length that you choose. You don't want to leave it too terribly long, otherwise it will get stringy. The best place to trim your plants is directly below one of the leaves, just like this. If your plant has any yellowing or brown leaves, you want to remove those as well. Now these clippings are rather long. I can cut them down into several smaller pieces that I can root and later plant. To root these, it's very easy. You want to pinch off 3 to 4 of the lower leaves. As you can see here, where the leaves are opposite is a small little nub, and this is where your roots are going to grow. Once you've cleaned the stem, simply stick it in water. You want to make sure that the water stays clean, so about once or twice a week, dump out the water and replace it. The Golden Pothos likes bright indirect light. The brighter the light, the better, but it can survive and thrive in low to moderate light. You can leave this plant in water and it will continue to grow pretty much forever. I've left this plant in the vase to root for years. The vase itself fills up with the roots, and that's perfectly okay. The plant itself is not going to grow as well if you leave it in water than when you plant it into soil. Once you have a really nice root ball on your plant, you can then transplant it into soil. After it's transplanted, go ahead and trim it to give it the shape that you want. Give it a good feeding and your plant will be very happy. Watering is very simple as well. Usually you only need to water this plant once every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on how much light and how your soil is. You want to let the soil completely dry out in between waterings. Once your Golden Pothos makes it to the soil, you'll want to fertilize it spring through summer. The Golden Pothos really does like humidity, but it can survive in drier climates. If you would like to add more humidity for your plant, there are 2 options that you can do. 1, simply spray the leaves with water, or 2, you can take a saucer or a plate or something, add stones, pour water in that, and then place the pot on top. As the water evaporates, the plant will get more humidity. Now there are some signs that you can tell if you're overwatering or underwatering your plant. If you're underwatering your plant, it will wilt and let you know it's dry and is very thirsty. If you're overwatering your plant, the leaves will turn yellow. This is a great house plant to have, as it's very easy to propagate, so you can fill your entire home with beautiful plants on a budget. It also makes a great gift if you're looking for something for a hostess gift or maybe a little something for a birthday present. You can take the money and spend it on a beautiful pot and give your friend or coworker a nice houseplant as a gift. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video and got some useful information. Thanks so much for stopping by. You know it's always a pleasure to see you. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.